Alright guys, so I just doing the recap quickly. I did one opening range breakup today at on BYND. So BYND was on our watch list, was gapping up 4%. We had it on the daily chart going up and down, but today it was gapping up, and I was really hoping to get a good trade on that. We didn't have shares for shorts today. I mean, interactive brokers didn't have any stock, so symbol is not shortable. So we couldn't really short it, but I was waiting for 1 minute. It did drop, but quickly squeezed back up. So I took a long position on that at 110.70 or 110.80, and then all the way up sold to 113. I wanted to get out some at 114.50, but it never got that. So as you see, these levels are magic, bounce back, and I got out at the break even. And after that, it really well down, sold down all the way toward the previous day close, but we just again didn't have any shares for short. Yeah, so that's that was pretty much the trade to do. I did try to do a small trade on LK, but really didn't work out, so I got stopped out on LK. And yeah, so that's it for me. See you guys tomorrow. Just a quick recap, and unfortunately I have to go quickly right now. Thank you so much guys, and see you tomorrow.